Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty cool one. I've been wanting to check this out for a really long time, but before we get into it, make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code DAILYFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is the Panda slider. I've seen this one around on the Facebook pages, and Janet said that she would send this over to me. So yeah, thank you, Janet, for sending this over. I'm really excited to check it out. Okay, some magnets here. Alright, let me put that down. Let's see what else is in the box. It's a cool patch. Alright, here it is. I guess it's a kind of like a card theme. Aces. Ace of hearts. That's spades. Yeah, I think spades. It's a weird magnet setup. Ooh, what was that? Okay, so it does not slide well to the sides. So see, whenever I try to slide it to the sides, and these plates kind of copy Motorworks plates, but so if you guys see, whenever you go to the side, it's like rubbing and it's not nice feeling, you can say, because of these plates. They're gonna be like side by side, so you're kind of going like against, not against, but like, I don't know, you can just see they rub and it just doesn't slide that well. But let me go ahead and let me open this up. What kind of tool do I need? One sec. Too small. There we go. Okay, interesting. Ah, the magnets don't have the same polarities. That's why it was sliding weird. No. Don't worry, Janet. I will fix this for you. Oh, wait, what? Let me try that. Damn it. What's on this side? Let me see. Alright, they are opposite polarities, so I gotta fix that somehow. Maybe this may turn out to be a big mess, but well, I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna take off both sides at the same time. Whoa, what? Why are there so many magnets here? Damn it, my hands got dirty. I know this is a weird way of doing it, but it works. There we go, much better sliding already. Now it slides better, but not sideways still. Only up and down and laddering. Now let me try to make it a 3-click. I'm gonna do the same thing. That side is done. God, it's such a pain. There we go. That's proper dirty. Fuck. Come on. There we go. And last one. Hopefully that does it. God damn it. What? Interesting. All right, here we go. Don't tell me I have opposite polarities again. Yeah, I mean, it's not my favorite, I'm gonna say. But yeah, I guess that'll be it for the review. I'm gonna put these in there. Put the slider back in here. But yeah, it's alright, not the best at all. Whoops. Ow. I would give it like a 4 out of 10. And I don't like the fact that they kind of copied the Motorsport plate design. So yeah. Plus it doesn't work that well because Motorsport plates are concave and this isn't, and it scratches. It does not feel good at all, but Motorsports does not scratch. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah guys, see you guys in the next one.